replacing filters on a 4-stage undersink. First, you'll need to remove the red or blue clips on the first filter, which will have a red tube or yellow tube coming out of the right hand side. All our systems are quick connect, so basically what you'll need to do is push in the white or blue collet and pull out the tube. You'll need to do the same thing on the other side, and gently remove from clips. Grab the new filter and gently push it back onto the clips, noting the flow direction. Insert red, yellow tube. Replace clips. And repeat the process for the other 2 stages.